Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to embed TradingView Chart. Let's dive right into why this is so beneficial. TradingView is a fantastic platform for stock and forex trading enthusiasts. It provides real-time charts and advanced financial tools. By embedding these charts directly into your website, you can really enhance the user experience. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, having up-to-date market data on your site keeps visitors engaged and informed. Picking the right widget. TradingView offers various widgets for embedding charts, like the Advanced Chart, Mini Chart, or Symbol Overview. Each type has unique features, so think about what fits your website best. For this tutorial, let's focus on the Advanced Chart. Starting the process. First, head over to the TradingView Widgets page. Once you're there, select the Advanced Chart or another chart that meets your needs. TradingView's point-and-click constructor makes it easy to customize the widget to your liking. Configuring the settings. Now let's configure a few settings. Start by choosing the symbol you want to display, like NASDAQ or AAPL, especially if you're interested in Apple stocks. This symbol will determine the initial data shown on your chart. Aesthetics and design. Next up is design. Match the chart with your website's theme by picking either a light or dark mode. This ensures the widget blends in seamlessly and offers a great user experience. Adjusting size and features. Size matters, and TradingView gives you options. You can set specific dimensions for width and height, or use the auto size feature. Auto size automatically adjusts the chart to fit the available space on your page, which is perfect if your site is responsive across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can also add features like timeframe tools and studies to boost functionality. Short-term traders might like intraday data, while long-term investors may prefer daily or weekly views. Add any technical tools and studies your audience will find helpful to make the chart as informative as possible. Generating and embedding the code. Once you're happy with the configurations, TradingView will give you an HTML JavaScript snippet. This snippet is crucial. It's the code you'll embed into your website. Copy the snippet and paste it into your website's HTML. Whether it's a specific HTML file or within frameworks like React or Angular, ensure the code is placed correctly for the desired look and functionality. And just like that, your website now has a fully functioning TradingView chart. With this tool, your site is more engaging and informative. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to embed TradingView Chart. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel PMN Online.